Hey, so I'm going to show you how to search incognito and clear your browser history. The reason we do these things is so we can get a better idea of how our business shows up on Google without Google thinking it's us. We need to clear our browser history and we need to search incognito for our business. These are two ways to help us get a clearer view of how our business shows up on Google for certain keywords. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to show you how to clear your browser history and how to search incognito on your computer and on your phone. Let's quickly go over to Google and I'll share my screen. So over here, the little spotlight is, you see those three little dots? That is where we're going. Click on those three dots and we're going to click incognito, third one down. And this is going to bring up a new window. You can see it's kind of grayed out at the top. You can read what incognito is doing, why it's good to use. And you can also see your incognito mode over on the top right. If you hover over the little glasses guy, it'll say you're in incognito. Now, why you search incognito is because you'll get a better view for your searches. Okay, I did a local search because I'm using a local city, Duncan, BC, right? And I want to see where I show up, if I show up for this keyword string. We got some ads and then we got the Google Maps and look, there I am. You can see ratings. So that's how you search incognito. Even if you search incognito, you're not getting the best picture of how your business is showing up online, because for local businesses, it does depend on area. Also, there are a lot of factors that go into searching, like, are you at home? Are you searching on your phone, which we're going to do next. But before we do that, we're going to clear our browser history. Let's go back to Google. Here we are. We're going to clear our browser history. Again, we're going over to those beautiful three dots we talked about. These dots here, just click on those. And we're going to go all the way down to the second one from the bottom and click on settings. Now, you'll get taken to this area here. And what you want to do is look for privacy and security. So in the middle of the page, right here. So you're going to click clear browser data, which also lets us clear our cookies. So we want to clear our browser history, our download history, our cookies and other site data, our cached images and files, and all the way down here, hosted app data. Now, if we clear all this information, we're getting rid of all those saved search. So all those cookies that have been saved, that helps Google understand what we're looking for. Our past searches affect our future searches in order to make sure we're not affecting our searches in a negative way. We clear our browser history and we search incognito. And that's how we do it on a computer. Let's go over to our phone. Super easy and won't take but a minute. Say you're on your phone and you want to do this, because we all use our phones more than ever now, right? Using our phone, we're going to go over to Google. My Chrome browser is here. And you can see I've already done a search and it looks like I'm in incognito mode. See the little guy up at the top right here, the little incognito mode. So we're going to go back to our regular browser. So we're in our regular browser and we want to go incognito. And so we're going to go down to those three dots right over here. And we're going to click on that. And then we are going to click on incognito tab. And then we are in incognito, and you can tell because of the little dude here. And you can read all about incognito mode. Those three dots are really, really helpful. And we're going to go back to those three dots to clear our browser history. Bottom right, we're going to click on settings. So let me show you again. Three dots and then go to settings, highlight in blue, below history. And we want to go to our privacy. And then we can clear our browser data right here at the bottom of the screen. So you're going to click on clear browser history, clear the history, and then we could search for our business. Again, let's search SEO company. We are not ranking. And this gives us a better reflection of what keywords we're ranking for our business. We rank for social media. Yeah, look at that, second one. So here we are. What do you rank for in your business? Do you know? Do you do searches like this for your business? Is it helping you? Leave a comment. All done. And that's it.